Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Okay, guys. The last hours were nothing short of a roller coaster. After placing limit orders to catch the breakout from the pennant I highlighted in yesterday's video, I quickly found myself in profit with an entry at 103,500. The first wave reached 105,400. I rode the move up and then back down, exiting slightly above break-even. Honestly, nothing major, and I was pretty bummed. The price moved up 2.44% in 8 hours and dumped 2.55% in just 3, even dipping below my entry. Once it reached 103,300 as the local low, it snapped back above my entry in under 2 minutes, only to rocket up another 3.69% to 107,100 in the next 4.5 hours. Seeing that lightning recovery, I entered a FOMO long at 104,300. This one paid off. I secured profits on the way down at 106,100, 105,900, and finally 105,100. But let's be real. This kind of, for lack of a better word, erratic price action, it's designed to wipe out everyone before the real move. Full send up, full send down. Brutal stuff. Haven't seen this type of trap move in a while. You can see the whole trap clearly on the 3-day and 1-day liquidation heat maps. On the 3-day, that first short liquidation pocket between 104,300 and 105,700 was taken out in one shot. The price even overshot to 105,900 before the dump. Why that dump? If you switch to the 1-day heat map, you'll notice a heavy buildup of leveraged longs after the rise. That long liquidation pocket started around 104,000 to 103,000. The price then dumped down to 103,200. On the 3-day, that support area looked invisible, but on the 1-day, it's clear. I actually expected a deeper flush toward 102,000, as there was still some long leverage visible there. But bulls stepped in and defended the 103,200 level hard, which sparked the final rip to 107,100. Interestingly, the hot area at 107,500 still remains untouched. As for the dip that followed, I was out in time, like I mentioned earlier. Now let's look at the aftermath. In the last 24 hours alone, $577 million in liquidations were recorded, $350 million from longs, and $226 million from shorts. The daily time frame remains strong. We've got a green dot on the wave trend. Money flow remains in the green, and the VWAP is crossing up into positive territory. Let's not forget the second flagpole from the bullish pennant I covered yesterday. It targets 114,000. These green dots historically lead to 10 to 20% gains. That would catapult us right into that zone. If you were in the Discord today, I hope you were entertained with my real-time commentary. I'll be back with more daily updates. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.